Hello everyone. This still life of an egg basket is what I am sketching today in charcoal pencils. Do stay with me till the end and enjoy the process. In case you want to sketch it along with me, do follow all the instructions and enjoy. I'm including the reference image here from which I'm sketching, and I'm beginning to sketch the outline of the composition first. I'm using a simple graphite pencil initially to do the outline, and then I will be moving on to the charcoal pencils for the entire work. As always, while doing the initial line work, maintaining the proportions of all the objects with relation to each other is going to be very important. As always, the initial line work will contain only the basic composition and the finer details can be worked later on. Once the initial line work is complete, we then move on to working in the charcoal pencil. Working in charcoal pencil is nothing different from working in graphite pencils, the way we have done before in my earlier videos in graphite pencils. The only difference is that charcoal pencils give a more sharper, more darker and therefore a more exuberant effect, and so the end result is even better than the graphite pencils. But otherwise the techniques of working in both these mediums remain the same. The only difference here will be that I haven't used the blending technique in my earlier graphite pencil videos, but which is what I am planning to do this time. Let's see how it turns out. Here too I am going to work in layers. I am working on the first layer here now like a base coat using simple oblique strokes, maybe some vertical and horizontal ones here and there too. I am leaving out the paper white for the highlights as much as possible, but we need not bother about that too much this time because I will be using a kneadable eraser to remove any of the shadings if required. The main shading work will happen subsequently, but for this initial base coat we will put in the basic values, that is the light and dark shades. So then let's complete the base coat in this manner and then come back. Okay, so now that the base coat is complete, let's move on to the next stage, and that's where the blending is going to happen. I'm using a paper stump to do the blending. Alternatively, I may use a simple tissue paper also for the same purpose. All I'm doing is running the paper stump along the previously worked base coat so that the line effect of the initial base coat is removed and gets blended. I would still like to maintain a sketchy look for this one, and so I am not going to do too much of blending. We can do that for bigger and more precise works which can be done at leisure. So let's continue with the blending and then move on to the next stage. Once the blending is complete, we are now working on the detailing. Gradually, layer by layer, we will add the various values that can be seen in the reference image, taking care of the lightest of lights and the darkest of darks, and the various intermittent values, that is light and dark tones. The light source here is at the top, and so the highlights of all the objects are also going to be on their tops, and the darker shades are going to be at the bottom, and the shadows too are at the bottom. I am varying the pressure on the charcoal pencil as I work on the values, increasing the pressure wherever I want dark tones and decreasing the pressure wherever I want the light tones, leaving the paper white as far as possible for the highlights. So let's proceed in this way and see what we can do next. The weave of the basket may seem a little complicated initially for beginners, but if you draw those axis lines like I have done and then follow them, it will be much easier to do, you will see. I will be blending again with the help of those paper stamps, or I alternatively with the tissue paper for a more smoother effect, especially for the eggs. And also I will use the kneadable eraser to remove any of the shadings from the highlight portion if required. So a few more details here and there and our sketch is done. Hope you liked it. Do leave your comments below. Do like, subscribe and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you get notifications for future videos. Also click on the end screens displayed above for similar videos. See you in the next video then.